What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel, Zella Black Star, aka DVS. And for today's video, I want to just share with you certain items, clothing items that I purchased to my daughter. As you guys know, I have a child. She's 2 years old. She's gonna be 3 on October 23rd. So this is basically kind of, well, it's a mix. It's a combination of fall clothing and just like tees and stuff like and whatnot. So the stores that I made the purchases are from Macys, Ralph Lauren, Burlington Coat Factory, and Walmart. I wanted to try Walmart clothing because for children, I always hear people raving about the clothing at Walmart. So I just purchased some clothing for her from Walmart, and I just want to see if the quality is pretty good. So let's get started with the video, and I hope you guys enjoy these kind of hauls. Okay, so let's start with Walmart. And I got her, everything from Walmart was long sleeve and a pair of jeans and whatnot. I'm gonna show you right now. So this is the first item, kind of like a sweater, gray sweater. It's thick, the material, and there's 3 little girls. And the brand is Garrett Animals. When she was a newborn, if I'm not mistaken, she had some stuff from this brand. This is not 100% cotton, it's 80% cotton. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna get bolitas. Bolitas is just like the little, I don't know, because you call them balls or something on the item. I'm pretty sure it has a word, but I call them bolitas because, you know, they speak Spanish as well. This is her second sweater, and it's just a little unicorn, and it says unicorns are real. I personally don't wear pink, but I got it for her. I guess as a child, I guess it's fine to get pink colors and whatnot. Okay, next is another sweater, and this is super like me. That's correct, like mommy. And this is a gray sweater as well. If you hear something snoring, that is my child. Okay, so this is a long sleeve, just a basic plain long sleeve, and it's gray. And let's see how many percent cotton percent is. It's only 90% cotton, so I'm pretty sure it will get bolitas. But you know, kids grow up pretty fast, and winter is just a few months. A purple one. Same style. Another same style. It's red. This one is red. I got her black. I got her 2. I got her 2 of the same because at the end of the day, they're children, and children tend to dirty the clothes immediately. I got her this white one. This cool little girl with sunglasses. This one I know she's gonna dirty like in second. Item is this little sweater hoodie, kind low, and I heard this because I wanted something with a hoodie and they had it, so this is it. Okay, this is the next one, and it has like little ruffles, pretty cute. So that's the top. So I got her these jeans, I got her these sweatpants, I got her these, what is this, what color is this? These are maroon, so it matches her top. Here you go. And then I got her some black jeans. And finally, from Walmart, these are like licras, like fake jeans, licras. These are cute. I always found these so cute, like the fake jeans, but they're not really jeans. So that is Walmart. Let's go with Burlington. Okay, so she needs a jean jacket, so I got her one from Burlington. This is from Carter's because the one she had, you know, she outgrew it. So it had these little flowers and embroidered, is that the term? I don't know. And a little bird here, and it's a basic jean jacket. Okay, so I got her a hoodie from Burlington, but this is from Carter's, and it's just a basic hoodie with a heart here. And let's see the original price of this. This is $30, but I got it for $10. Pretty cool. And the last item from Burlington is this dope suit, 2-piece suit from DKNY. I love it, and I want to get like a suit like this. So it's a hoodie, it's a sweater hoodie, and then it has the sweatpants. and the sides matches the fronts of the sweater. And this is from DKNY. So the original price for this is $56. $56, but I got it for $15, $14.99. That's Burlington. Let's go with Macys. Okay, so this is Macys. Oh, I haven't even opened this to check it out. So the first item that I got from Macys is this Ralph Lauren hoodie. And it's navy. I was kind of pissed off they didn't have black. Next, I got her this Peppa Pig bata, a nightgown from Macys. And then I purchased this Ralph Lauren polo Lauren dress. And everything, I got this on sale. I didn't pay full price. Following and last purchase is from Ralph Lauren. And this is again for my child. So let's look at what I got from Ralph Lauren. These are Ralph Lauren socks. And it's just white, pink, and baby pink and pink. And everything here was on sale. I didn't pay full price. This is cute. This is a cute white top. I love it. Like, hello. This is cute. This is her cardigan. And it's navy. They didn't have black, so I was really upset. It has this one, but it's no longer her size. She has this one in maroon. My daughter, she's slim, but she's tall. So it's not about the fit being tight, but because of, you know, she's tall, short for her, you know, arms. Same thing with her pants as well. It is a turtleneck, and a turtleneck, right, and it's gray. And then it has a, you know, the classic polo man there. I was a huge Ralph Lauren fan. I'm still am, but I don't really buy myself Ralph Lauren. I just buy it for my daughter. Okay, then this one is a navy turtleneck. I'm leaving the best for last. I've always been a fan, like I said, of Ralph Lauren and the brand. I've always wanted to find the classic teddy, you know, for my size, and I never have the luck of finding it. Usually they say that the Polo Factory outlets might carry it. Every time I go, I can't find nothing for me. So I love it. Willie Bear cotton. Tell me this is not the cutest thing ever. Like, tell me this is not the cutest thing ever. Oh my god, I love it. Oh, it's been always my dream to own a teddy, classic teddy. Unfortunately, I can't find it for me. That's fine. As long as I see my daughter wearing it, then I'll be happy. So that's teddy number 1. Teddy number 2. This one is labeled as Polo Bear Cotton. And I'm just opening the packaging as we go. And this is a pink teddy with the, you know, classic polo sweater with the, you know, the printed flag of the US. Tell me this is not the bomb. Tell me this is not the bomb. Hopefully it picks up as pink, because right now I see it as white, but it's pink. Children's clothing is so adorable. Older clothing is not as pretty. Hey baby, he's waking up now. Okay, and the last teddy bear is, oh my gosh, this one is, oh my gosh, this one is adorable. Again, I'm opening as we film. By me film. Oh my god, look at this. This is so freaking cute. It's a polo Parisian. Is that how you say it? Parisian bear. Oh my gosh, the Eiffel Tower is in the back. This is adorable. This one I'm planning to I'm gonna put it on for her, but I don't know. I want to take her to Paris So I want her to wear this in Paris. So, or maybe, I don't know, because it's white. She might get dirt, you know, dirty the thing, or coge manchas. Manchas is, I can't think of the word manchas right now. Stains. And maybe I might have to get her a second one. But yeah. Look at how adorable this one is. I love it. Oh my god. This is so freaking cute. You okay? You okay? So, and that completes this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you aren't. If you are, thank you so much. Until the next one, peace.